everybody. So this is one of the last times we're going to be here at our current RV. As we begin our goodbyes to it, it's been a wonderful little RV that we've had for the last 8 years. It's been dependable and just a very, very good first starter RV for us.
We've enjoyed the 8 years that we've had with this RV, but it's time for us to move on to a larger one. We have some big plans coming up in the summer. We're going to make a countrywide sweep through Utah, up through Idaho, into Seattle, and back over to Chicago on the northern part of the trip. We're hoping to be able to take you along with us on that. Right now, the plan is that I have some family members that will be joining us on that trip. We have a couple of exciting stops along the way, one for family and the other one just to have some fun. Right now we're looking at staying in Moab for about 4 days. We will be visiting some of the national parks around the area, and we certainly hope that we'll be able to make some videos of those areas and bring that to you so that you can see it. This RV, as of next Saturday, as it's scheduled right now, that's if everything goes the way we hope it will go, will be traded in on our new RV, and we'll have a reveal video for you on that, where you'll be able to see our new RV. We'll take you on a tour of the outside and the inside to give you a good overall look at every feature that it has to offer. It's not a particularly high-end model, but it's certainly higher than what we got right now. It's almost 10 feet longer than our current RV. So it's going to provide some amenities that we just don't have in this current one. And if you've looked at the pictures, you'll see that the only place that we really have the set is either on the bed or on our dinette. There's 2 benches on the dinette, and it makes it uncomfortable for one person to watch the TV that's up in the corner. But anyways, we're gonna cut this short, get this up on YouTube so you guys can enjoy it, and look forward to seeing that video of our new RV. Talk to you later.
Bye.